Hello everybody, today we can see about Mindray ALP kit. In the top we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name Alkaline Phosphatase kit for IFCC modified method. This is short form of this kit, ALP. This is an overall view of top angle. In the front angle we can see the product name Alkaline Phosphatase kit for IFCC modified method, short form of this kit ALP. In the bottom we can we can see the reference number of this kit ALP0102. This kit contains two reagents, reagent 1 4 into 35 ml, then reagent 2 2 into 18 ml. Here we can see the lot number, then expiry date. This is a pictorial representation of instruction manual, one instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice bag. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is the overall front view of this product. On the other angle we can see the blank space. In the back we can see the for in vitro diagnostic use only. On the other angle, bottom we can see the brand name Mindray, then manufacturing details. This is the overall representation of this product. Now going for summary, today we can see the Mindray Alkaline Phosphatase kit for IFCC modified method. This reagent kit contains two reagent, one 4 into 35 ml and another one 2 into 18 ml. Thank you.